Good morning. Welcome to another vlog, and let's start with another day. Boom. Guys, I am going to meet one of my subscribers from Dubai. So he's a Dubai resident and he has come to meet me here near my apartment. So I am going to the person and will meet him, and I'll also make you guys meet him too, and later meet him in the comment section. His channel's name is Wow Dubai. So guys, I am right now near my brother's apartment, and there is one of you guys who have come to meet me. His name is Mr. Syed. Hello.
Hi guys.
So he also has a very nice channel about Dubai. His channel's name is Wow Dubai. WOWDUBAI Dubai. I'll leave a link in the description as well.
Sure.
And this is Mr. Syed, and we'll spend some moments with him today.
Sure.
So till then, bye bye. So guys, as you remember from my last video, this is the Zabil's Palace, the King's Palace, and we made a very nice video and got very nice views on it. So we are taking you guys there again to refresh our memory.
Yes, of course, why not? Welcome
Yes.
to Dubai.
Yeah,
That's the palace of Sheikh Hamad bin Rashid Al Maktoum,
correct. So this is the palace,
Prince of King of Dubai.
correct. King of Dubai and Prime Minister of UAE.
Yeah, Prime Minister of
Correct.
Yes, lovely king.
I remember this. I remember this thing. He's the King of Dubai and the Prime Minister of UAE. Very humble man.
Yeah. Would you like to go outside? Many.
Like when we are landing from the airplane, we see miles and miles of desert.
Yes.
There is a lot of area to expand Dubai.
But you know, the king of Dubai, he has good motto. He is, you can say, he's a real king. He will make you happy in his time. He is really spending time. He is giving the good facilities, health, education, the roads. You see the everywhere awesome roads, awesome. See now how is this boat is going.
Awesome.
Cruise.
This is the creek, right?
Yeah, this is
Dubai
but
Creek.
this is the new place. I'm telling you, Dubai Design and District.
Dubai Design District. This thing.
Yeah, all around the world, the companies, you can say fashion company,
Yeah.
all over in this place.
Okay.
You can't open any office other place than this. You have to come here. It's written there, Dubai Design and District, everywhere.
All the fashion places have
Yes.
fashion businesses have to start here.
Yeah, the office should be here. Wherever you do.
The head office should be
yeah,
here,
head office should be here. It's called Dubai Design and District.
so that anybody finding the designs office, he come here and find all the companies
Yeah,
together.
Come here in one place and you can find everything in one place. This is the build still under construction.
Under construction,
Yeah.
and we built by 2020.
Yeah, it will be complete 2020 everywhere around here. Now they close this road. Otherwise, I will bring you. Yeah, they close.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I will bring you some from India.
Fashion
Fashion
exhibitions at the night.
Mostly here is exhibition. This place, this area, Lexus, Mercedes, Lamborghini. Ferrari.
Okay, car shows.
Not car shows. They will bring some cars, but they bring more activities related to the kids.
Okay.
These are all stone.
Okay.
They keep it and they make the office with these stones. These
Okay.
are offices.
Offices,
This
okay.
one, and you see that one is over there. That is the office.
That is the office.
Yeah, these people are cars standing here. These are all working there. And see, this one design outrated.
Correct. It's written
Yeah, this one.
design quarter.
Yeah.
All companies that are related to design have offices here.
Yeah. You can see this is awesome. They are making more under construction still going on. They are making something.
They're making it a beautiful place.
Yeah. It will
So that these companies can do events here.
yeah, events here. If they are doing their office is here,
Mhm.
but they do. See, you can see this
Armani,
pants.
Armani and Casa.
Yeah, Armani Casa. And this one, what you call Iconic Home.
Iconic Home.
And many. It's unbelievable. They have
All design related
all
company.
design related. It's here. You can see DQ
DQ.
design. This night
Design quarter.
Yeah.
This means design quarter.
Yeah. This means design quarter.
Very nice.
This is the back.
And it's all LED.
Yeah, fully LED. This is the back cut. Every building have name. Every building have own parkings. Okay.
Yeah.
And if you have chargeable car, you can put for charging as well.
Okay,
I'll show
electric
you.
car.
Yeah, electric car. You can put it. It's
Beautiful place.
Yeah, the lighthouse. See the lighthouse. Awesome.
Yeah.
The restaurant, AR gallery,
Mm-hmm.
super studio,
Mm-hmm.
and what do you call this, Amato.
Mm-hmm.
I think there have Indian brand as well. You can see the dresses. See the
Oh, very beautiful Land Rover.
Yeah, see it.
Some designer might have it.
Yes, gallery wall, and see the inside design for the chair. You can see
Yeah. Very beautiful.
Inside, yeah, it's everything. East wing as well here. This one, what you call Babylon.
Baby Leon.
Yeah.
Baby Leon is a very famous brand for kids, right? Yeah.
This is Living Diwani.
Living Diwani.
All day. This is the I
Day.
think government something.
Yeah. And it's still under construction. They're
Yes,
making
in
it
the
even
construction.
bigger.
Now I will just.
Working here.
Yeah. This is the new, just 1 year, and see the bikes. How nice this one.
Okay, this it's only been 1 year that is open,
Yes.
and so many people already work here.
Yeah. Because they ordered to this country, please move.
This is the power of Dubai government.
Yeah, this is the power of Dubai government, and this is the beauty of Dubai.
They keep it organized.
Yeah, you have to follow. See the chairs, how nice.
Very nice.
Rules and regulation you have to follow.
Correct.
See the what you call the One Life. This is very nice restaurant.
Restaurant.
Yeah, this one as well. And see the bus stop. How awesome.
Oh, very beautiful bus stop. It's a pink color bus stop.
Yeah. Nighttime, see, you can see over here the places. Ammonio is something brand. This is Nakash. And this is chargeable place. You can park your car.
Oh, the
here.
electric car
Yeah,
charger.
electric car. You can put the money and you can charge your car.
Charge your vehicle. That is nice.
You can put the money and you can charge your car and go whenever. They put it already here. Instruction about this.
Correct.
How to use everything. So this is the car place, Dubai Design Industry.
Very beautiful place.
And I think here is one Indian restaurant is open. Chef Lady, I think you free inside.
Again.
This is the first open air club. It's called Base.
Oh, wow.
This is called Base Club in Dubai. It's awesome club. It's a night. The first open air, and he got the winner of the year.
Winner of the year in the nightclubs
Yeah,
department.
in the night in open air.
Okay.
It's awesome. I've been with Jennifer Lopez.
Here.
Yeah. Hrithik Roshan.
Okay.
There's a one Sardar singer, I forget his name.
Diljit.
Diljit Singh.
Okay.
Okay. I've been here with Jason Derulo.
Yeah.
I've been here with the Tiger. I've been here with the Fat Joy. I've been here with the.
Well, all big celebrities come here
Yes.
to have party.
Yes. And this is the called Dubai, the best club in Dubai. It's open air club. If you
Awesome.
come in the September, I will bring you. If you come in
Come on.
September, I can bring you everywhere on different car. This is, you've been Deals and Wheels.
Deals on Wheels I've been, yes.
You been?
Yeah. With my brother, last time I went to Deals on Wheels.
Which Deals and Wheels? Here or there?
I think that one.
This one?
Not this one.
That one.
That one.
The head of.
Yeah, head office. That is the head office? That is the main one. That is where Mo Vlogs goes.
Yeah, mostly.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
the honor is there mostly.
Correct. I've been there.
See, this car advertising is over there. That
Correct.
same car which one you are driving.
Correct.
Yes.
Cadillac Escalade.
Cadillac Escalade. This car is full system. If you make the speed and leave it, it will go automatically.
Correct.
You have to go left and right.
Correct. Lane keep and
Yeah, line
cruise and everything.
You will see.
Correct.
See,
Lane keeping also and Cruise control also.
Now he will go here.
Mm-hmm.
We will see.
Correct.
But it should be your car speed like 110, 120.
Correct. Correct.
Exactly. You been nighttime in city this Dubai Canal?
No.
Nighttime you should come.
Really?
Yes. So tonight I will bring you.
Okay.
What time?
You tell me. You're carrying a such expensive car with that big number is not cool.
Of course not.
That means you're saving money.
Just we call this one we call Kanjus.
Conjures.
Expensive car but no number.
Actually, car is a depreciating asset. But the number is not a depreciating asset. It'll keep on rising. People don't realize.
The people who don't use their mind, they will not realize. But
Yeah.
who knows the rate?
One day your number will be more expensive than your car.
You know that guy, Raj Sehani.
No. Oh yeah. Who bought the Indian who bought the Rolls Royce at
Roll Rice
number 1?
D5.
D5. Correct.
And you will see my new video in his car.
Okay.
In his car, you know, he tell to the Roll Rice, please write it my name. They write it RS special Raj Sehani.
Oh, okay.
This is the place we call Emirates Hills, and now we are going to inside the Montgomery if they let us to enter.
Oh.
I will tell them the house number, everything. I hope they will let us to
Yeah.
enter. If we enter, okay. If not, I'm sorry for that.
No problem.
But I want to show you the move block.
Yeah. So guys, my friend is taking to Movlog's house, and we'll definitely try to enter the area where Movlog lives. But if we are not allowed, don't get disheartened. We'll try again some other time.
Yeah, sure. It's cool.
Correct.
You will not feel hot here
Correct.
in this European.
Europeans, correct. Who are living a slow life, enjoying the life.
Yes. 1890%. This is the world expensive hotel. Our left side is the address hotel.
Address hotel.
This is called Montgomery.
Montgomery.
I tell to the other video. I'll show you. You can make video.
Yeah.
This now, you will see this villa is the richest Indian in the world.
Richest Indian in the world.
Richest Indian in the world. This villa is starting from this car. Okay. If you see the night time, you will not believe, man, how beautiful. They make it statue inside.
And there is a lake also.
See. They make how nice statue.
Beautiful.
This night time also see the entrance.
Elias Daniel.
Now you will see the Krishna Narayan. Maybe you know him.
Krishna Narayan.
Yeah, richest right. All houses made by your own choice.
Okay, customized.
Yeah, customized totally. This house is long Chinese style, Indian style, Pakistani style, Arabic style. You can tell them, they will do it. This area is like this.
What is this area called?
This is called Emirates Hills Montgomery.
Emirates Hill, Montgomery.
These are also Indian.
Okay.
You can see the how they put elephant also. These are Keralian too.
Correct.
Night time in this place is
Very beautiful place.
You can walk, you can jogging, see the greenery, the waters, everything is awesome.
And he's bought recently only.
And you know he's crazy not making video from outside, nothing. Just careful for the night.
I know. So guys, we'll give a glimpse of Movlog's house to you guys very soon. So guys, this is the Movlog's house, and we are outside it. This is his new house. So Pagari sweet is like a refreshing drink. Okay,
It's mostly sports people are drinking.
Okay, it's like Gatorade only, you mean? And
What else you want?
we'll carry some chips so that we don't drowse. Lays, right?
Means cultural khana. You like?
Yeah, I
Are
like.
you a total culture, or you like to eat burger and king and this and that?
I enjoy both.
Both.
Whatever is nice, I like that. I basically like Indian food also. I like international food also. I like Dubai's food also.
What
But
about
I only like the thing which is nicely
What
prepared.
about the South Indian?
South Indian food also I like. I eat dosas and everything. You cannot eat it? I love dosas. And the best thing is
Are
I
you
like.
making video?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, please don't say maybe this fucking man hate us.
No. There's personal preferences.
Yeah, but I like their what you call their samosa, and I like the favorite samosa in my life, in my concern. The favorite samosa is Punjabi.
Punjabi samosa.
Punjabi, yes.
Oh, yeah.
That Punjabi samosa, you can go to the lowly village and you can tell them Punjabi and they will look at you. How you know Punjabi? Ali, they give me Punjabi samosa because it's a big, huge, lot of ingredients and Malabar samosa is very small.
Correct. Punjabi samosa is basically Indian samosa. There you get most
Really?
cities like Delhi and all. The same thing. Like there is aloo and there is matar and there is lot of things.
Lot of things.
Lot of
Not matar, keema, chicken and aloo.
Okay. Non-veg samosa.
Yeah, non-veg samosa.
That
But
is like the
even-
flat one.
Yes, the flat one.
I'll tell you one thing. That samosa belongs to Bangladesh.
What they call Punjabi samosa written there.
I don't know. That samosa belongs to Bangladesh. That is not shaped like a samosa, but it's like flat. It's very flat from outside and inside. You're talking about that one only, no?
No man, it's normal. We are eating. It's like three-cornered,
Yeah.
and the center is very
Fat.
Fat.
Okay, yeah. That is Punjabi or Indian samosa.
Yes, but
that
it's sometimes mine, sometimes chicken, sometimes
correct. Whatever fillings can change.
potato and this that.
Fillings can change in a samosa.
Yes, it's really huge.
Yeah.
And you know,
So guys, I'm at Burjuman, Dubai, and I had an awesome day with Mr. Syed. He took me to very beautiful places, and he has promised me to take me to the canal,
yeah, Dubai Khana.
Dubai Canal at night
Yeah,
time,
at night times and Dubai Marina.
and it's very beautiful at that time.
Marina Mall, it's awesome places.
So guys, if you have not already subscribed to his channel name is Wow Dubai. So make sure to press the like button on his channel and see all his videos.
Thank you
He
so
make awesome videos of Dubai and things in and around Dubai. So make sure to watch all his videos and subscribe to his channel Wow Dubai.
Thank you.
And guys, this person gave me a beautiful day, and right now he'll drop me home, and I had a very beautiful day with him. So make sure to show your love to his channel, and I'll make future videos with him also. So yeah, show some love to him.